Mastercam 2020 includes a number of enhancements and improvements when working with wireframe entities. In previous versions of Mastercam, Curve All Edges would only allow you to create curves from outer boundaries of any selected solid faces. Starting in Mastercam 2020, you now have the ability to create curves on the inner as well as outer edges of selected faces. Curve Flowline has been enhanced with the ability to create curves that follow a surface's patch boundaries, which are the true representation of the underlying surface. The plane indicator that displays when using the Curve Slice function has been improved, providing a clearer visual representation of the plane. The Divide function allows you to trim or break entities graphically by holding down the left mouse button while dragging the cursor over them. Now in Mastercam 2020, Divide will display indicators at the locations of the items you have trimmed or broken, and moving the cursor back over those locations will undo your previous actions. Mastercam remembers the sequence of your trim and break actions so you can undo more than one past action. If you complete a Divide sequence by releasing the mouse button, you still have the option to undo or redo your actions by using the controls on the Quick Access toolbar, or pressing Ctrl and Z or Ctrl and Y. In previous versions of Mastercam, Trim Break Extend combined multiple functionalities into a single interface. Starting in Mastercam 2020, those functions have been separated into individual functions on the Wireframe tab in the Modify group. Trim to Entities allows you to trim or extend one entity to another. Trim to Point breaks geometry at selected points on the entity. Modify Length, which was previously called Extend, will extend or trim the selected entity by a specified distance. By separating these functions, users can now leave the options in each dialog set to values that best fit their workflow, instead of needing to toggle the dialog options each time a different functionality is required. For more information on enhancements to CAD for Mastercam 2020, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.